Alright everyone, so in the previous video what we did was we created a kind of night and day effect where the background changes color and gets darker and then gets lighter again. There's a feel to the level that you're kind of going through the night. But one thing I noticed is that in places it kind of feels a bit steppy. So it feels like if you look at the screen you can kind of see it changing color in little steps, one after the other, and I want to change that. I want to smooth it out in this video. You don't have to do this. It complicates things a little bit, but I think it makes the effect look a little better. So you can see it getting darker already. Now you might notice it's kind of getting darker in steps. It's like darker a bit, darker a bit, darker a bit. So maybe you want to smooth that out a little bit. Let me show you how. If you want to smooth it out, what you need to do is make the steps smaller. So you go into level. Instead of having countdown seconds be 100, we're going to have it be 1000. So countdown 100 it says here. Change that to 1000. So now it's going to go down in 1000 steps. But instead of making them 1 second each, we're going to make them into tiny steps that only last a 1/20th of a second, 0.05. And if we do that, we need to change this number here to 0.18 just because we're scaling it differently because there's now 1000 instead of just 100. And I think that's all we need to do. Oh no, color level also. Instead of being 2, this should be 0.2. I think that's everything. And then just the cheat key sets the counter to 3. Well, let's make that 30 because it's the 31 thousandths of a second, which is the same as... the 30 tenths of a second, which is the same as 3 seconds. So it keeps it the same as it was before by scaling everything. Alright, let's just try that out. Okay, now it seems more smooth now. Doesn't seem to be going down in steps anymore, at least not steps that the eye can see. So that's everything, and I'll leave it there and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for listening, and if you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.